Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 14th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, gold is a little bit sideways so far this week. My area of resistance on this is still the 161% Fibonacci extension, which is right around the $3,280 area. For me, that's an extremely important area because if we go all the way up to the monthly, we got our Fibonacci extension measuring the whole wave one, projected off the bottom of the whole wave two. We are definitely still in a wave three. Most wave threes go to the 161% Fibonacci extension. But the thing is that's the minimum target for wave three. Wave threes can go way beyond the 161.8. So saying that this trend is almost over is just a disaster to lose trades on shorter time frames. This thing could easily go way beyond that 161% Fibonacci extension. So keeping that in mind, going down to the shorter time frames, my last major structure level is right here. So even if it does drift down, as long as it doesn't break this structure right here, I would definitely not be looking for shorts. Now, if it goes down, shoots below that structure, then starts to pull back, I definitely think that would justify looking for shorts. But if it doesn't do that, which I'm really not convinced that it is going to do that, even if it does make a move down, it's probably just an ABC crunch into the last impulsive up. I'm definitely still recommending longs at least up to that 3,275 to $80 area. What happens after that, I guess we'll have to wait and see. I mean, if it breaks structure at that level, then that definitely would turn me into a seller. It probably would tell us the wave three is over. If it doesn't break structure at that level, then the wave three is still active, and this thing could easily go up to who knows where. It could go up to $4,000, $5,000 an ounce if it wants to. That's why, for me personally, it's so important, especially on gold, to realize that the trend is your friend because gold is in one of the biggest uptrends ever. So going down to the sort of time frames and thinking that it's a good idea to go short, unless you're just trying to scalp a few pips, is a recipe for disaster. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.